Here comes your pre-market summary for Thursday, December 1st. Brand new month, but same strong market that we saw late in the day yesterday. What an impressive rally into the close. All three U.S. markets end the day basically at session highs. We even saw a little bit of follow through once the bell had rang, with futures continuing to the upside. We're relatively flat to start things off this morning. We do have more economic data coming up this morning at 8:30. We'll get the final reading on November PCE after the Q2 second estimate yesterday. If you remember, it came in a little bit higher than expected. It was all about, though, Jerome Powell yesterday afternoon lifting the market and then some to the moon. Here comes futures right now. Here's what things are shaping up as right now. 0.13 for the S&P. The Dow basically flat. Same story for the NASDAQ. Hey, we'll take it after a 4+% rally yesterday for the NASDAQ. TSX 0.13 futures anyways here in Toronto, pointing to a higher start. Crude oil back to the upside this morning, basically flat for crypto land so far. Here's a few things we're watching. Yeah, what a daily candle yesterday, as I said, basically closing at the highs for the S&P, getting above last week's highs. 2 weeks ago, we put in that top just above 400 for the SPY as well. This nice uptrend still very much intact. Salesforce on the mind this morning. Down on this news that co-CEO will be stepping away. Mark Benioff taking over as solo, but they did raise their annual profit forecast. So we'll talk a little bit about CRM trading lower here pre-market. Snowflake also downside so far pre-market. They reported a wider net loss for their latest quarter. They did talk a little bit about higher costs for research and development as well. Snow down about 6% here in early trading. Netflix, interesting note here from the Wall Street Journal this morning. Netflix going to allow more people to preview content in an effort to keep quality at the highest they possibly can. So Netflix, a huge day yesterday. We'll see if we can get some follow through coming up today. Piper Sandler cutting estimates for Apple's December quarter, both sales and iPhone production. So a little bit of a cautionary note. Apple just went red to green, though, in the pre-market here this morning. We'll talk a little bit about Apple. We'll talk about the chip makers as well, showing some relative strength early on. Grab that watch list, guys. Use the QR code on screen right now. Come join us in 27 minutes. We're live on TraderTV.Live.